Bit more.
Oh shit! Oh my lord! Nah, that one ain't even funny.
You feel good though?
My boy's frozen.
I'm still here. You're still there.
Whoa!
Have you ever done before?
No, never.
You're up. You're up. Where's the pain?
My neck, my shoulders I dislocated my shoulders
Like
years ago, but yeah. So there's a little ache there, and this part of my leg, I don't know what it is, but there's a part there what's hurting me.
Yeah.
That's it.
Alright, easy.
I'm shook already, you know.
Already. Jesus. Look at this.
Oh. Ah, what's
Spicy,
that doing?
man. Spicy.
Ah.
Jesus. Here you go. To the left. Any pain?
No.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
To the right. How's that? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
This one.
Oh.
That right side, man. Feel that?
Oh.
It's no good.
The hell is that?
Real stuck up there. This one here. Alright, I got one for you.
Oh my god.
You've had this done, huh? Just drop that one.
Listen to it.
Oh fuck! I thought you broke my fucking neck, bro. Oh my days, blood. Those are the ones that scare me the most, man. No,
good?
Yeah, I'm good. Bro.
You good?
Yeah, I don't know why I went first. I don't know what I'm doing now.
You have to go first, bro.
This one here.
What's this one?
This one. Let that go. Let it go. Oh, jeez, you got a bit jumpy. All the boys around here a bit jumpy. Relax, man.
Oh,
There we
shit. I gotta relax, that's what it is, you know.
That's it. I'll go on for you.
I'm scared.
Bit more.
Oh shit! Oh my lord! Nah, that one ain't even funny.
You feel good
My
though?
boy's frozen.
I'm still here. You're still there.
Whoa! Blood, I heard go. I thought my whole head fucking fell off, bro. Big man thing, I thought my head went off the fucking floor, blood. Nah, that one there's gonna scare the fuck out of you. Watch.
You done? Now go, left. How's that feel?
Yeah, better. Whoa, God, I fucking
Jesus,
took
look
my
at you,
head off.
you're like a fucking owl.
Innit?
Look at this way.
Shit!
Go this way.
My neck's
How's that,
turning
it's
all
good?
the way. Yes. God.
Jesus.
What the fuck's going on there?
This one. Just hold that there. Strong. Push up.
What do you mean?
Go again. Go again.
Man,
Strong.
man,
Keep
man,
it fucking just strong. Again. Strong. Yes. Strong. Nothing. Jeez, that's no good.
Why is that like that? I felt like I was gonna pull a muscle there just.
So it's because your lower back, you got a blockage going on there. Relax that, man. Here we go. Let that go. Just relax.
Oh shit!
I might just put a thingy on it then.
Fucking hell, man. I'm just.
You good, yeah?
Yeah.
Just relax this one.
Leave it play out then before I hit it.
So go back up again. Go back up. This one.
Oh shit!
This one. Keep relaxed.
Bro.
There we go. Keep your feet up. And down. Down.
This one here.
So I'm going to go in here. Breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. This one here. And breathe in again. Breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. Let's cross your arms. And breathe in. And out.
Oh God. That is peak, fam.
You like that?
Bro, that was
You like
that back just felt like it. Yeah, something happened. Oh God.
Get your toe up.
Oh shit. So he's stretching my arms.
Bro. Let that go.
Oh, the fuck? I thought he took my hand off. Bro.
Take a watch off here.
Oh shit.
You felt that one.
What the hell?
Where'd you feel that?
Yeah, that's mad. That was mad. My whole neck felt like it was gonna. Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, what's this one? Oh shit.
This one.
Oh, what
This
the
one,
hell?
bro. What's going on there? Fuck.
What is that? Oh shit! It's like a muscle.
Never stop
It
to
is.
the front, bro.
Your headaches?
No?
No.
I'll probably get one after
you do.
this. Oh shit!
Arms like this. This one. And breathe in. And out. And breathe
Oh.
in. And out.
Fucking hell!
And breathe in. And out. Do this one where you're doing this. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. It's alright? And up. And up. And up. Right. Go on your tummy, face down.
Fucking hell, man! This is mad. I thought this was meant to be calm, but I feel like I'm mashing up myself. What am I doing now?
Just like that, bro. You're right.
Huh?
Face down. This one. Alright, get your right leg up all the way. The whole leg straight. 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 And up. The whole leg, mate.
I'm sorry.
And down. Listen,
I'm sorry. My mind's not, I'm baffled. I'm like,
no, trust me.
Alright.
And up. And down. But keep the whole leg straight. Yep. And down. And up. And down all the way. And up. Left one.
That was just tight, boy.
And up.
Your body's tight,
And up. Right one.
coiled up.
It's not too bad. Alright. Now the right one up and down. And down. And up. 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 Now left one. Up. And up. And up. And up.
No, different time.
Get you side facing me.
I'm in a new time.
And bend that one.
Just sweat.
This is one. He hasn't been here before.
fucking hell.
This one's good. Breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out.
Fucking
And
hell.
breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. Just let that go. Let it go.
Oh, fuck.
Other side.
Oh.
You're right.
It's alright, what's on your shoulder?
Where's one coming into general suffering like this?
I ain't done this in no time, you get me? I don't know what this is.
Forget that memory.
Oh,
There
shit.
you go. Spicy.
Oh, that one there's stiff.
There we go. And breathe in. And
Down
out.
this.
Okay, let it go.
Oh,
There we go.
fuck.
And push out, push out, push out.
Bro, stronger.
He's back.
How the fuck did I get stronger there? Bro.
That's your lower back, my man.
Yeah, that's mad.
Get those nerves working right.
Oh, shit.
And breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. And out. Alright. And looking to the left. And to the right. He's back. Right, big boy. All good. Thank you. He's back.
Cheers, bro.
Took it like a fucking champion.
No thanks.
Hey? How's it feel? Oh, back!
Back, yeah?
Yeah.
Who's next?
You lost your voice.
Next.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Stop moving parallel, man. We saw what it was. Let me sit there then.
Well, I've done it now. What is going on?
No, what's done. I'm done.
Hey,
I'm done.
no, it's all everything.
That's funny.
Oh my